putties together, and they made slime. It's slime. I already lost most of this in the car, so yeah. Then there's, check out my other channel where I posted videos in my dad's car and my mom's. Not really mostly my mom's. And check out my mom's channel where me and my friend Juliana, if you've never heard of her, go check out my other videos on all three of my technically channels. So check out Lori Duda, Addison Costantino, and this channel right here. So yep, that's it. But let me show you. So this is the cream soap slime. It smells like cream soap. And if you guys were here right now, you would know. Seriously, but look, it's so stretchy. It's making Instagram so well. It rips, but it also stretches like the other one. I am not good at cream soap. I mean, this was the best one I did so far. It was a very good one, just being exact. So I put in good slime containers are these these capsule machines. So yeah, let's check out my coins. Okay. It's funny, but like all these bunnies are actually small. It's very see, but I wish you guys were here. Smell this, and it's also butterscotch. So, kind of blurry if you what I see right now. That looks like it's a very pretty pink. Let me put it up to the light. It is butter slime. So, it's a very pretty peach, just like the Williams color. And all the other Flarp slime colors don't smell. I have all of them. This one smells like good. So let's check it out. Avalanche slime. I don't think I made a video of that, but maybe I did. So yeah, it's really good slime, even though it's putty. But this is a really good putty. You can see right now. Look at this. Like, it's so stretchy. And if you guys felt it, it's so good. Seriously. We could do an example of this. This is much longer. Did she hang up on you?
That was Dad.
Oh, him?
He was going to the appointment. I lost him.
Oh. Was he on the road?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you know your soup in?
Yep.
You want the rest of it?
Yeah.
Okay, you have a cup?
Yep.
All right, and the other one, great. You need to be in the ass.
That's my
We have to finish doing this tree, too, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
What the heck was that? Sound like squeaky chalkboard. You know what, before Christmas, I'm gonna have to make sure all this stuff is gone off the section.
Uh-huh.
Put it in the cup.
And can you also get this in there?
Oh, yeah, that's like, you know, not next to impossible. Really?
Mm-hmm.
You have your spoon?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get Queenie your soup, okay? Wait.
So, you guys never saw in the background. My sister.
Hang on, sis.
That's the bread.
Okay, do you want more?
Yeah.
Want to make the rest of it? Want to make another can?
I need a new spoon.
Do you want to make another can?
Yeah. 'Cause that's all I'm eating tonight. But I do need a new spoon.
What?
But I do need another spoon.
Okay. Here, 'cause I'm not gonna be up and down all night.
What do I need now? So back. We're gonna be making slime with fidget buddy bricks. That's what we're gonna be mixing it with what today. We're gonna be mixing with. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not mixing. Here, and I'm using this. I just got that from the dumpster. Most disgusting feeling slime ever. It's like pig's feet. Pig's feet. Okay, if anybody likes all around Audrey, this is pig's feet. Pig's feet slime. That's probably already. This is not what it looks like. Pig's feet slime. It doesn't even come back together. Just crunchy. Look at that. And then if you try to get it back together, that work. No. Let's just take this little chunk to make sure we a little bit more than what we want. Just put oh. The container just got another one. Let's use this one because this one makes everything perfect. Especially avalanche slime based. Maybe we should just take that much. Are you ready? I hate this. I don't like his songs, but if he's okay. He's not the best, just saying. He's watching it, which he's not. That's good. If he watches, make sure to tell him that. She watches until 10 minutes, at least. It's not really going good, but I guess it could. Just keep going. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back, guys. I don't know why I just did. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I will be right back, guys, when this is all mixed. This is all mixed. I'll be back, guys. This is the coolest. Like, it's not the coolest, but it looks cool. But it does not. It's not a good slide. And it smells like nail polish. What I mean, nail polish is good to figure out which one. It does not smell good. Do not smell nail polish. So we have slime. Technically putty, but it is good. So let's put it here. So I stacked all this slime. So we have these little ones, and these big ones. So let's look at it. How about we add that to the pink one? You know? Just add a little bit more. So take this one out, put it right there. Let's see. This used to be the best fidget party in the world. And I was just you can't even rip it. Like, seriously. Stiff as a rock. It's great. Look at that. Seriously, like foam. Do you see that? Do you see that? That's so just. Ugh. Look at it. It's squishy. Goes right back to its original shape. It's crazy, guys. Let's just add in there because I love you guys. Whoever watches my video, which doesn't because nobody watches my videos, technically, but yeah. Okay, that just not even close. Okay. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Don't think it's used to be good slime. This used to be good slime. And it looks a little bit purple, but it's really pretty color. Like, but what you see, it's really pretty color. What I see, ooh, it's kind of like stiff on this side, texture on this side. Ooh, it's actually really good, guys. Look at it. It's slime, and it actually made a little bit better. But then once you break that part, there's the pink. The pink. I'll mix it. This actually might make it like the pink. Maybe like mix that in a little bit more. Then we have, and also this sticks. See? Rip. Stick. Perfect. Guys, this is the best. Actually, this one's the best. And excuse me. Where is he now? Here. Back here. Just watch it out. See ya. Bye, guys. Have a nice day. Bye. So, I only have 10 seconds, so, yeah. From worst to biggest. Bye.